This is bolt actually. You can find it on bolt.new if you type it in your browser. Let me show you real quick actually. If I press F11, you can see that it's on bolt.new. If you want to follow along, you can just visit the URL. As you can see, you can also build a mobile app and a blog and a whole bunch of things. Right now we're going through the basic, the most usual use of Bolt, where we're just building stuff. So I want to create a bagel POS register, a bagel shop POS register. Make the website beige, why not, or brown. And I want a list of all the items to select from. And let's see what the result will be. And as you can see, it's already starting to build our application. It already has our file structure. Now, as I said, we can choose whatever technology we want as long as it's web-based. I usually let Bolt choose for me. And when I let it choose, usually goes with TypeScript, React, Tailwind CSS, and ShadCN. So let's see. It has items organized by category. It has a shopping cart with quantity tracking, easy to use interface, ability to remove items from cart, running total calculation, responsive design, and this is our app right now. Okay. So let's say we want a plain bagel and scallion cream cheese and coffee. And as you can see, we already have something that works actually pretty well. And we can delete them, we can add them. So now about we add a comment to every item that we add. Let's say we want a plain bagel, but we want to cut in half or something. Looks cool. Pro tip, whenever you talk with the LLM, I prefer to say it's doing a good job if it actually is, just in case our AI overloads take over, we might get treated better if we do that. So, looks cool. Now I want to add a comment to every item I add to my order. Let's see what will happen. Now, of course, all this still is just the front end. We are going eventually to add the backend, but just not in this training because it would probably take too long and be too many stuff to process. When you click, it says when you click checkout, give 3 tipping options, with no tip being preselected as one of the 3 options. Okay, yeah, let's add it after that. Print bigger, cut in half. You can see I can add to order, I can add it without the comment. Okay, I can't edit the comment, we'll add it later. But for now, let's add the recommendation feature. So, when you click, actually let me copy and paste. When you click checkout, I'm telling you, it's crazy how many stuff, and how quickly Bolt can do them. Honestly, the first time I saw Bolt, it was on a YouTube video, and I was actually, I saw the title and I'm saying, yeah, I don't believe what you're saying on the title, because it's usually clickbait, etc. But after I watched what you can do and I played it with myself, I was like, damn, we live in the future. So let's see. Let's add an everything bagel with nothing. Okay, so let's click on the checkout. These are three options. It doesn't have the no tip as a pre-selected option, so let's fix that. Right now it has three options, but there is no tip option. Make no tip the first option and make it the default one slash pre-selected one. Let's see. So it looks like it's rebuilding the whole app from scratch every time, but actually it's keeping most of it the same. It's just re-showing it. It doesn't actually rebuild everything from scratch, but only adds the specific part of code you need in the specific place. And let's see, now I want a plain bagel, add to my order, go to checkout. Okay, no tip, 15%, 18%, and 20%. Now, it still has 4 options instead of 3, but we're much closer to the desired result. Okay, it actually shows us how much the tip is, which is very nice. Now, if I click pay now, what will happen? Nothing. It just disappears. So, let's say that I add a comment. Okay, let me edit the comment when I place when I put something into my cart. Let's fix that. And then maybe we'll add another screen. We can also do a lot of small changes like increase or decrease the quantity, etc. It might be more interesting if we add another screen of our past orders or something. Or maybe we can add an option to sit there or take it to go. And if you sit there, you choose the table so that you link the order to the table so that if the customer decides to pay later, they can just do so. So for now, let's see. Comment, okay, close enough. Now if I edit, I can just edit the comment. I can edit the quantity or anything. But that's fine. Remove a comment. Okay, and it saves everything. Checkout, you still have the tips. Pay now and nothing happens.